Back in the shop here. Got a little gift today. I know what it is. I got a notification that this was going to be delivered, but I am glad about it because look at their packaging. It's like it would tear easier not there, but and look at. There it is. Foam for the Arkenstone. Let's just take a look at how that goes on. Maybe like that. Wow, that actually fits like over it without taking it apart. Definitely feels more protected there now. So removing the rear fairing, I guess is like what they're calling it, is there's 2 screws there, 2 screws on the other side. You've got one on each side here and one up in the middle there. All right, got those out. Let's see. Well, that's loose there. Okay, pop that side loose, pop that side loose. I think maybe with the EX we've got a couple more here we have to remove. There it goes. Definitely did have to remove those 4, but here it is. Get on an inner look of the Stark EX. I have rode this, so I have got it dirty. A little radiator here and a little fan. Pump, I'm assuming. Big old battery. I'm currently running my cable. After further inspection, looks like these can go back in, but you do need to remove these back to, and I don't know if that's just on the EX or on all models, but there it is. So looking further into it, you do have to remove both sides, those 3, and remove this section to get it routed properly and nicely fed. I also did find it easier to remove this screw to feed the somewhat large through that. I believe it would be easier to feed the cable backwards up through the triple clamp. When you remove the rear foot control, you're going to want to use a plug from up front, up on this head, and plug that wire, and it'll stay there. There is a blue connector to match the blue in here that you plug into to get your brake light to work again. Remove bolt from brake lever and assembly will drop out. Remove pedal and remove master cylinder. Remove bolt holding foot lever. Feed out through the front. Continue bleeding brakes thoroughly. Reinstall plastics in reversed order and continue to bleed air from brake. This will take some time. Bubbles will get less and less. Eventually it'll clear up. I just had to make sure that I caught this. There's a hook in the back, which I did. Everything's popped back in. Go ahead and install the 4 bolts in the front as well as the 2 in the side, and then there's 3 back in this rear with the EX. All right, guys. While I continue bleeding this out here, really appreciate it. If this video was helpful, go and check out our other videos. I got an unbox video. I got where I fixed the stand. Actually, I take the stand apart and I put it in a Milwaukee pack out. It's pretty awesome. Much more convenient than the stand itself. Go check out those videos. We're testing, we're riding, we're having a good time. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and God bless.
It's caught in the crossfire.